This is Preston here with Matt from Hirebotics at the Automate 2017 show. Matt, how's the show been treating you so far?
Really good. We've enjoyed the last couple of days walking around, meeting with vendors, getting the chance to get some questions answered.
So Hirebotics, what exactly is it that you guys do?
So we're a robotic integration company, but we offer a unique business model in that our customers don't buy our integrated solution. We actually rent it out by the hour, just like you would a temp worker. And so our customers hire robots to do jobs. And we do a full turnkey integration, so our customers get a complete, ready-to-go automated package, and then we charge by the hour just like a worker would. We bill to the second, so we have an hourly rate, but we collect all the data via the cloud so that we can give them back that data in a mobile app so they can see production data, quality data, all in the app. We're collecting cycle time data so that we know how to bill at the end of the week. But every week they get an invoice just like an employee would walk by and punch a time clock.
How do you see what you're doing is changing the market, and how do you see just a general market overview?
Well, I mean, robots as a service, which is what we do, is going to become what's more norm in the next probably 5 to 10 years. As you've seen software become software as a service and all the cloud infrastructure become big, we see the same thing happening with automation. And so we're really out there leading the industry, developing the platform to build that on. And so what we see is, even when we're in Fortune 500 companies, we've got our robots installed that are working by the hour directly across the aisle from a FANUC 120 kilo robot that they own as capital. And so what we're hearing from big customers, small customers is, gee, we don't have to go out and buy the capital. We don't have to risk the capital because with us, if we don't work, fire us. Before that happens, we usually are camped out at the customer site, right? We've never had one fired because it couldn't do the job. And so we take a lot of that risk on, and so we really go in and validate that the application can be done with a robot, that we can do it with our integration model before we take on a job. And we walk away from some jobs because we're just looking at it and go, that's not enough hours in a week, or it's a task that we just don't feel comfortable trying to do. But for the most part, I mean, most customers are finding that it's filling a need that they have, which is we have limited capital budgets. Robots are just robots, right? I mean, they're not differentiators in the marketplace for most manufacturers. So we're treating it like, most manufacturers don't buy fork trucks anymore, they lease them. Well, let's do the same thing with robots and let us be the experts in the robots.